Let's learn Roman numerals. For writing the Roman numerals, 7 symbols are used. These symbols are: first is I. I stands for 1. V stands for 5. X for 10. L for 50. C for 100. C for century, C for 100, D for 500 and N stands for 1000. Now, how do we write the Roman numerals using these symbols? You can learn them as IVXLCDM, IVXLCDM. I stands for 1. So, for writing 1, we simply write I. This is 1. Now for 2, 1 plus 1, 2. So 1, 1, 2. For 3, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3. This is 3. Now we cannot write 4 as 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 times y can't be written because this is the rule of Roman numerals that a symbol cannot be repeated more than 3 times. So we cannot write it as I. This is wrong. So how do we write 4? For that we have to first of all learn how to write 5. The symbol of 5 is this V. Now in Roman numerals, if we write a symbol before a symbol, like this is 5 and I before 5. So this is 5 minus 1, 4. अगर हम किसी सिंबल के पहले सिंबल लगाते हैं तो उसकी वैल्यू सब्ट्रैक्ट हो जाती है. तो 5 minus 1, 4. And if we write a symbol after a symbol, 5 and 1, this is 5 plus 1, 6. So take care of this thing. Symbol after a symbol is added and symbol before a symbol is subtracted. A greater symbol and a smaller symbol before a symbol is subtracted. Now for 7, 5, 6, 7. For writing 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again 9, it cannot be written as V, 1, 1, 1, 1. We cannot take a symbol 4 times. For writing 9, we will take 10 first and 10 minus 1 is 9. So X से पहले I. This is 10 minus 1, 9. Now let's do counting in Roman. We have learned this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, for 4, 5, minus 1, 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10 minus 1 is 9 and then 10. Now how do we write 11? 11 is 10 plus 1, 11. So this is 10 plus 1, 11. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 3, 13. 10 plus 4, 14. 10 plus 5, 15. 10 plus 6, 16. Then 10 and 7, 17. 10 and 8 is 18. 10 and 9 is 19. And 10 plus 10, this is 20. Now again for 21, we will write this is 20 and 1. 20 and 2. 20 and 3. 20 and 4. 20 and 5. 20 and 6. 7. This is 28. 29 and for 30. 10, 10, 10. 10 plus 10, 20 plus 10, 30. Then 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 40. We cannot write 4 times x because a symbol can't be written 4 times. So we will write 50 first. The symbol of 50 is L and x before L. This is 50 minus 10 is 40. Now L before x becomes 40. So 40 is written as XL. Now 40 is XL, 50 is L. For 60, L plus x, this is 50 plus 10, 60. Then for 70, L x x, 80, L x x x, 90. Again 4 times x is prohibited. So we will take 100 is C. So x before 100, this is 100 minus 10, 90. So these are the numbers till 100. Rest for 41, XL1, XL2, XL3 that you can write.